Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you how to get a Fashion Nova promo code that's gonna save you $100 off your next Fashion Nova order. Now these discount codes are pretty easy to get guys, and I'm gonna be heading to my desk and showing you how you can go about getting your very own personal and exclusive Fashion Nova discount code. These will work in 2023 as well as 2024 as we move forth. So anyway, enough blabbering. Let me get into the tutorial guys and show you how you can get your Fashion Nova promo codes. Let's do this. Okay guys, so let's get into the tutorial on how you can get your Fashion Nova promo codes or discount codes. You have to open up the internet on your mobile phone. Go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So Top Dog Codes, you've got to go to this website guys. Pretty cool website. You can see on my screen they have so many different pages, ranging from pretty much everything you can think of, let's just say that. So if you go to search, you can type in fashion, and if you spell it correctly, you should see this page, Fashion Nova coupons and deals. Now you just open this page up and let's see what codes are available for us. Now you can see there's a couple of different codes. You can get a $100 Fashion Nova promo code, or you can get 50% off. You just have to calculate which one's going to be more beneficial and what's going to save you more money. Once you've done that, you click on show coupon for the code you want, and this is going to pop up. Basically guys, you can see it's protected the full code. Obviously these are pretty valuable codes, and this just ensures that each person can only get one code. So you need to unlock the rest of your code. So to do that, tap unlock code, and you're gonna see a new screen pop up in a few seconds, and it's gonna tell you exactly how to unlock your code. It's pretty easy. It takes a few minutes, and of course it's completely free. This is sort of a verification step. Just to ensure you're a real person, you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page, and that's gonna go ahead and unlock your Fashion Nova promo code. I hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you successfully got your $100 or 50% off code, go ahead, drop a like on the video, leave a comment below if you need any help. But yeah, go to topdogcodes.com and get your Fashion Nova discount codes, and these work in 2024. I'll see you next time. Peace.